Hello friends, my name is Dr. Huma Hassan and I'm starting my series of lectures on anthropology for the syllabus of UPSC. Today I'm going to explain the meaning of anthropology. It is coming from our first topic, topic 1, meaning, scope and development of anthropology. Today I'm going to explain the very first element of that particular topic, that is the meaning of anthropology. So, what do we understand by anthropology? See, if we see and understand anthropology, so the comprehensive definition of anthropology is the study of man in totality in terms of time and space. The meaning of anthropology means that you need to tell about narratives of human evolution, which started million years ago, and even today, how the changes is happening in the lifestyle, in the lives of humans. So broadly you would say that the meaning of anthropology is what? It talks about that in this we study about human, men, anthropos. So if I have to say that how we have to show something unique about the definition of anthropology, how and what we can do. So as I always tell to my aspirants that this one particular topic where we need to discuss meaning, scope and development of anthropology. So this broader term anthropology, you should focus on 4 key terms. That is, it is talking about men in time and space. So time and space refers to that it does not care about men whether they are living or they are dead. We live about dead humans too through fossil evidences. That is a part of paleoanthropology, archaeological evidences. You can say that anthropology studies about human evolution, time immemorial. So we can go back in the past, then we can be in the present, and then we can also go in the future. So we are studying men in continuation. This particular topic and this topic always come in some form in your UPSC, where you need to justify the meaning of anthropology, where you need to talk about that how anthropology is a unique discipline. The third term which comes, that it is holistic in nature. That's mean whenever anthropology is studying about men, it's studying about mankind, they are studying in time and space in holistic manner. In holistic manner, and it is oriented towards integration. What do you understand by the term holistic? That's mean we are understanding anthropology in holistic manner. So we are very much interested and we have ample of archaeological evidences, we have fossils evidences, we have genetic evidences to understand the evolution of man. So, when we are saying that anthropology is a holistic discipline, that means we are very much interested in understanding its biological aspects. And these biological aspects are further divided by various branches, which I am going to explain when I am going to talk about branches of anthropology. Then we are going to understand its sociological, that is socio-cultural aspects which deals with all institutions like socio-cultural institutions like marriage, family, kinship, economy institution, political institutions, religious institutions. Okay, so biological aspects, sociological, socio-cultural aspects, and also we need to understand that when we evolve biologically, when we become highest product of evolution, human beings are highest product of evolution. So when we become highest product of evolution, when we become biologically evolved, we could have language. So we created language, and through language we created social cultural aspects. I would say that there is a fundamental difference between language and communication. So when humans have developed stone tools during Homo habilis period, and Homo habilis refers as intelligent men, we have already developed communications. Communication involves gestures, it involves sign, it involves expression, and it conveys messages without even using vocal, you can say speech, without having that vocal language. Okay, so and all this evolution, that how we have evolved biologically, how language got created, how we become different biologically, what role genes play, what is the roles of, there's a very fundamental topic in our UPSC syllabus that is 9.2, Mendelian genetics. Okay, so how do we understand that? What is Gregor Mendel talk about, that he said about factor, but now we know that it is genes which is transferred from progeny to their offspring, and then how we have got diversification, variations. Okay, so all this information is a part of your physical anthropology, and this is very much interesting. This is very much you can say this is very much interesting to understand the interconnection, to understand how anthropology is a holistic study, and how we get such information through archaeology, archaeological evidences. So right now I have explained the holistic nature of anthropology through its 4 branches. So guys, you can also see this PDF for your basic understanding, to have some notes on the meaning of anthropology. And right now I have just explained this point. I would say that you can use this content. So what is anthropology? So the comprehensive definition of anthropology is the study of man in totality in terms of time and space, as I have explained. You can always show your content by quoting complete information, facts. So anthropology defined differently. So as Aristotle referred to it, and who is considered as father of anthropology, you can read it out. So anthropology is the gossip that revolves around man, and anthropology is the gossiper who talks about himself. Okay, so you can further define it is the systematic study of a man for physical and moral being. Okay, so in 18th century, Immanuel Kant, in his book titled Anthropology, defined anthropology as a study, some grammatical error, which describes and explains the animal origin, social as well cultural development, progress of men. And then you can see here, I have given certain definition by different scholars like Jacobson-Stern, like Korevo, Harriskovitz. You can understand and see that it talks about men's biological and social cultural evolution. Okay, so please refer to this note, and always see my lectures, because now I'm going to upload more lectures in series of it. So today I've explained meaning of anthropology. Tomorrow I'll explain the scope of anthropology and the development of anthropology. So keep watching my videos. You can hit the bell button, right? and thank you so very much.